G, add 5, C, add 9 to D. All right. This time it's 1 bar of G, 2 beats of C, and 2 beats of D. Here we go. All right. 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. And 2, 3, 4, up to C, up to D, down to G, add 5, 2, 3, up to C now. C, up to D, down to G, 2, 3, up to C now, up to D, 4, 1, 2, 3, always counting now. C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, up to D now, back to G now, 2, 3, up to C now. Good. Good. Are all the strings ringing out? Then C, then D. Now strumming all strings. 3. Now the top 5 strings. Now the top 4 strings. Now all 6 strings. And you notice that your 3rd finger is always on the fretboard. Look at that. The 3rd finger is just planted there, rooted. And back to G. Yes, well done.